Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Dennis Ramsey seeking a 1 or 2 bedroom apartment in Kempville between $600 to $700. Give me a call, 902-365-5044. Give me a call. I need a new apartment that has no rats in it or birds or squirrels. Give me a call, 902-365-5044, no jive. Seeking a clean apartment, 1 or 2 bedroom, call Dennis Ramsey at 902-365-5044, Kempville. I asked the landlord to get rid of the rats and birds and squirrels, but he never did. So I need a new apartment, 1 or 2 bedrooms. Call me, 902-365-5044, Kempville. Please help out Dennis Ramsey. I need your support and help in this emergency. The rats and birds and squirrels can give people diseases. I talked to the tenants downstairs, but they can't help neither. Anybody can help. Get an exterminator. Call me, 902-365-5044. Help me get a 1 or 2 bedroom apartment, please. Call me, 902-365-5044, no jive. Kempville's greatest folk artist, Dennis Ramsey, needs your help and support right now. Have a nice day. If you can donate me money to get a house or an apartment, please do so. Give me a call, 902-365-5044. Have a good day.